Hi, welcome, and my name is Anis Digits, and welcome to my YouTube videos where we share YouTube videos on tutorials about Moshop. And on this video I want to share with you a lot of information. Number one, we are going to look at how you can get information and how you can get help on Moshop app when you are searching on any information, whether on their sites and also on this app. So stay tuned, because I want to make you your own boss so that you can make more money reselling these products for free. And if you have not subscribed, I would like you to make me a favor and hit the subscription button and ring the bell, so that whenever I produce all these videos, you'll be the first one to get the notification. Now let's jump in and see some of the things that you need to see information and how you get help on Moshop app. And today we want to see some of the changes that have been enacted and reminding you on how Moshop works. Please, if you are watching this video, this is the app that you need in Kenya for you to start making money without investment. I've done a lot of videos about this app, and today I'm back again. And if you love it, please give me a thumbs up or comment down below where are you watching this video from. If you are in Nairobi, you are in Kisumu or in Mombasa or any part of Kenya, please let me know so that we can share more. And what are some of the problems that you're facing with this app, so that we can see how we can help out, and some of the solutions that you need to do, or some of the settings that you have failed, because I had a lot of people coming into my inbox and explaining to me that they need a lot of help and see. So comment down below, how are you getting? And if you don't have this app, please make sure you download it to your phone and start making money sharing these products with your friends and quoting the prices. And whenever someone buys, you keep an order, and then when the order is delivered, you get commission at the same time when you invite guys on your orders. So let me show you something about Moshop. If you have not joined their Facebook page, let me show you their Facebook. Hey guys, this is our Moshop Facebook page. If you have not liked the page, go to Facebook, search for Moshop Kenya, and use this as one of the most public places where you get your updates. Now, one of the updates that have been made with Moshop is you can now ask for it as we deliver. Cash on delivery service now available on Moshop, so you don't have to pay online, but now you can order your goods and at the same time pay them on cash on arrival. You can shop now and enjoy the services. So if you have not liked the page, make sure you like the page, because you'll get more offers every day, all day, so that you stay on tune. So I want to help you with this. Now when you go to post, you'll find that more updates are being done, and then let's stay tuned. At the same time, let's visit our Moshop website, where you also see some of the changes and read more about Moshop if you are willing to do that. And of course, you love Moshop. Here is our Moshop website. On this website, you'll learn more about Moshop. You'll get to know, number one, Africa's reselling app, on how it does and how it works out. You can get the link on Google Play Store. If you have not downloaded the app, make sure you download it from this link here. You see, from this link here. So what you have to do is you start reselling with Moshop in 3 simple steps: browse, share and sell, and then earn. You can do this on several and many more goods. Now these are some of the communication areas where you can get updates very quickly on Moshop. Now at the same time, you'll get you'll get updates on promotions and sell off on some of new products that have come in. Okay, now if you want to sell more, you can check on the website, which is moshop.com, and it's here. And at the same time, you can still filter some of your best go products that you feel you want to share with your friends. You can still go to the help button, the one down here, and click there. When you click, you'll find some of the help informations that you all need if you have any problem, or else you can click on this icon up here which says contact us if you have any issue that you feel is not resolved. And then they have also their WhatsApp number which you can click, and also SMS to make more money. You can also email them if you have any business ideas, and also visit their offices at moshop.com. Their location on the screen, it's Comrade Office Suite, Kandaruma Road, Kilimani, and you can do that so that you can see it.